else, huh? Can I have your number?
Sorry, I have to.
Oh, so you have your boyfriend?
Yes.
Oh, where's her? As the him?
Actually, there he is.
You make it.
I'm her boyfriend, so please, shut up ka na lang ha.
Mukhang sira ulo'y ang bago mo. Mukhang hindi pa siya naliligo. Mukhang limot niya ding magsipilyo.